Thank you for the chance that given to us. Now we'll introduce ourselves to you all. For the first is me. My name is Fernie Indi.
My name is Megaris Bata.
And in these videos, we will introduce about MySQL and we will creating a database in MySQL. Let's check it out.
Hello guys, I will introduce about MySQL. So MySQL is based on client server model. The crown of MySQL server, which holds all of the database entries or components. MySQL server is available as a separate program for use in client server, network archive, environment, and as a library that can be MySQL operation along analog with several unitary programs which support the administration of MySQL database. Commands are sent to MySQL server via the MySQL client, which is installed on a computer. MySQL was originally developed to handle larger database quickly. Although MySQL is typical installing on only one machine, it is able to send the database to access it locally as users are able to access it via default MySQL client interface. Offshore of MySQL are now as follows, include the following. 1. Directly. Offshores of MySQL are now of rights include the following. 1. Rights. A lightweight open source database management system in development basic on MySQL. MariaDB, a popular community developed drop-in replacement for MySQL that uses MySQL IPs and communities and personal server with XtraDB and arcane version of MySQL now for horizontal scalability. Thank you.
Now I will creating a database in MySQL. So let's check it out. I will create a database, and in this time I will use Xampp control panel version 3.2.1. As you can see here, this is about Xampp control panel, and now this is Apache and MySQL. I will start it, and it was started, that it means it was green colors. So now I will creating it, and for the first we will go to localhost and php my admin, and when we visit it, you can see this is will show it, and we will click the new, and we will know this is new database, and we created it, and now new database has been created, and when we was refresh it, it was be showing here new database. This is my database that I was created, and now we will create a table. I will use one table here, and this is table is a simple table. Okay, we'll create it simple tables. I will use 5 columns here, and I will click it go, and now it was created. In the name, we will use ID name. It was the field of this table, and type, and comment, also date. we will choose what's the type of this field. And for the first, if I use ID, then I will use integer. It was a type of data. And the next, the name, I will use varchar for his type. And for type, I will use text. And comment, I will use varchar. And the last, I will use date for date field. And the length, I will use, this is about 5. Name, I will use 25. And the type, this was 30. And the comment, it was 50. And the last date, I don't use what's the values of length, because I was thinking that is always have a just another one. And this is why I choose this about, because if I use comment, then it means I will use too much character here, so I will use 50. Different of ID, I will just use 5 because I don't have too much character to use here. And just this is all. And the next is I will save it. We will choose here a save buttons in here, and when we click it, then it means it will be tables. As you can see here, it was a tables. And if we click here in structures, it was we show it. This was a ID, name, type, comment, and date that was we created before. So guys, just this is all about how to creating database in MySQL. Thank you. Alright guys, just this is all about our videos. Thank you.
Thank you. And comment and subscribe.
Don't forget it guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you.
Bye.